Welcome to my channel and please subscribe. The flag of Israel consists of two blue stripes and the star in the center. A. Star of David. B. Star of Solomon. C. Star of Peace. A. Star of David. The flag of Denmark is known as the A. Dannebrog. B. Cross flag. C. Nordic flag. A. Dannebrog. The flag of New Zealand features the Union Jack and star A5, B4, C6. A5. The flag of Turkey consists of the red background with a and star, A crescent, B square, C cross. A crescent. The flag of Norway consists of red background with A cross, A blue, B white, C green. A blue. The flag of Tunisia feature a red background with a star and crescent, A yellow, B blue, C white. C white. The flag of South Korea has a blue and red in the center, A circle, B square, D diamond. A circle. The flag of Finland consists of a blue cross on a background, A green, B white, C red. B white. The flag of Argentina consists of blue and white horizontal stripe with in the center A sun, B moon, C star. A sun. The flag of the UAE features a red vertical stripe and green, white and horizontal stripe, A black, B blue, C yellow. A black. Thank you.